क्या आप आज भी पंखा साफ करने के लिए टेबल या चेयर का सहारा लेते हैं? अगर टॉप शेल्फ से कोई सामान उठाना हो तो क्या आप कूद कर उसे पकड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं? अगर हाँ तो आप अकेले नहीं हैं। इंडिया में मेजॉरिटी घरों में ये सारे काम करने के लिए कोई ना कोई जुगाड़ ही यूज किया जाता है। बट क्या आपको पता है, ऐसा करने में बहुत ही ज्यादा सेफ्टी रिस्क होते हैं। हाइट पे पहुंचने के लिए जब आप चेयर या टेबल वगैरह का यूज करते हैं तब बैलेंस बिगड़ने से एक्सीडेंट होने के चांसेस 90% से ज्यादा होते हैं। ये तरीका बिल्कुल भी सेफ एंड रिकमेंडेड नहीं है। अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि प्रॉब्लम तो सारी हमने गिना दी, इसका सोल्यूशन क्या है? सोल्यूशन बड़ा ही सिंपल है। मार्केट में ऐसी टाइप की स्पेशल हाउस होल्ड लैडर्स आ गई हैं जो मल्टीपर्पज होती हैं एंड हर घर के लिए मस्ट है। ये लैडर्स बड़ी ही इंटेलिजेंटली डिजाइन होती हैं जिनसे आप घर के कई काम आसानी से कर सकते हैं। ये इजीली फोल्ड हो जाती हैं और कहीं भी इंस्टॉल की जा सकती हैं, सो अलग से स्पेस बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है। Hello everyone, welcome to our complete guide on household ladders, which is an essential product for every home. Now let's talk about the essential must-have features any good household ladder should have to ensure safety and functionality. Shaw hinges with double locking pivot joints. These provide a stable and wobble-free experience. The double lock-in mechanism ensures that the ladder stays secure in place while in use, giving you confidence and peace of mind as you climb and work. A large platform offers ample space for you to stand, allowing you to maintain a steady and comfortable position, especially when working for extended periods. Anti-slip steps. Maximum stability and safety are achieved with anti-slip steps. These steps are designed to provide a firm grip, reducing the risk of slipping and ensuring that each step you take is secure. Anti-slip shoes. The ladder's feet or shoes should have anti-slip features to prevent slipping on wet or smooth surface. This ensures that the ladder remains stable and firmly in place, even in less than ideal conditions. With these features, a household ladder can provide a safe, stable, and comfortable experience for a variety of tasks. First up, let's talk about height. Household ladders have non-adjustable length, which typically range from 2 feet to 10 feet. This means you choose the height you need based on the task you will be tackling. Choosing the right household ladder height is crucial for safety and efficiency. Here is a detailed guide for a person who is 5.5 feet tall, helping you determine the ideal ladder height of various reach levels. 3-step ladder. This ladder is perfect for tasks that require reaching up to 7 feet. It's ideal for activity like changing light bulbs, dusting high shelves, or hanging pictures just out of arm's reach. 4-step ladder. Suitable for reaching up to 8 feet. This height is great for more involved tasks such as painting walls, accessing higher shelves, or installing curtains and blinds. 5-step and above ladder. This ladder is ideal for reaching up to 9 feet height. With this ladder, you can comfortably clean ceiling fans, replace smoke detector batteries, or reach the top of kitchen cabinets. This is also the most common ladder size sold in Indian market and is enough for most of the household tasks. We recommend that you buy household ladders made from aluminum material, which offers several key advantages. Aluminum ladders are lightweight and durable. They are also easy to store thanks to their sleek design, fitting nearly into small spaces and storage areas. Please note that household ladders are designed for single-person use, so only one person should be on the ladder at any given time. Also keep in mind that ground support is crucial for household ladder safety. All 4 feet of the ladders needs to be on the level ground. This prevents wobbling and tipping, allowing you to work confidently and securely. There are many brands for ladder available in market, but when it comes to choosing a brand, we recommend the brand Bathla. Bathla also offers 5-year warranty on their product for any manufacturing defects. They offer quality construction, reliability, and safety features that makes them ideal for home use. Hope by now you would have understood about household ladders in detail. Household ladders are a good investment which help in making your household task easy and safe. For any other query and information, you can visit IBO store near your home and we would be happy to help you select the right ladder for your home needs. Happy and safe climbing!